Now, say students, we are going to solve question number 8. That is a small mistake here. Rather than 75, we are going to take 50 students. Okay. Now, so the question is as it is. Okay. Just read the question and try to understand the question first, students, carefully. Now we are going to solve. So before going to that, we have to write down the entire given data, students. So we had been given a line as 50 45 degrees to VP and 55 degrees to HP. Next, a point A has been given. It is located at a point at a distance of 10 above HP and 15 in front of VP. Now we have to solve this problem in two steps, students. Okay. See here. So here in first step we have to assume that there is no 45 degrees, that means parallel to VP. So there is no change in the second one, that is 55 degrees to HP. So 55 degrees to HP means now we are going to consider the 55 degrees angle, students. So for that reason what we have to do means we have to just draw the reference line XY, the reference line XY. Okay, so we have to identify that point first, students. We have to locate that point by using the mini drafter scale itself. You have to use all the parallel lines and perpendicular lines, students. Okay, parallel and perpendicular lines we have to use. So we have to locate that points above 10 and below we are having 15 Okay, that is A dash. Since it is front view, it is A. Since it is top view, so now I am just going to draw the dimensions here itself, students. So we have to mark it, then we have to draw the arrowheads. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, so we have to just draw the arrowheads very neatly, students. That is 15 and this one is 10. That is 15, that one is 10. Okay, now just try to draw the two parallel lines, students, from those points just as a reference lines. Okay, now we are going to consider the step 1. In step 1 what we had assumed, students, we are assuming that 45 degrees to VP as parallel to VP. That means we can see only one angle, that is 55 degrees to HP, where we can see that one in front view. In front view, so we have to make an angle in front view. What is that angle? That is 55 degrees. Take the protractor and try to identify 55 degrees. Okay, make a 55 degrees. Okay, 55 degrees. Okay, so like that, that is 55 degrees. Now join those that point, students, by using the scale. By using the scale, just join it. Now we have to identify the length of that line which had been given in the question, that is 50 they had been given, students. Take the scale and identify the length of that line as 50 How much? 50 Take that one as 50 Okay, so that much is the 50 we are having. Now, so we may try to make that angle, students. Now just I am going to remove it some. Okay, so that is B2 dash. So B2 dash, we have to mark it as B2 dash. You may try to understand, students, why I had been taken that one as B2 dash. That angle is 55 degrees. 55 degrees. Now From that point we have to draw the projector, students. From B2 we have to draw the projectors into top view, into top view. Okay, like that we got. Make that point as B1, B1. Okay, next we have to consider the second case, students, that is step 2. That is step 2. In step 2 we are going to assume that 55 degrees to HP to be parallel to HP. That means now we are considering assuming that 55, so we are going to just considering the 45 degrees to VP. Where we can see that 45 degrees to VP? In top view. So from A we have to make an angle 45 degrees. So what is the angle, students? That is 45 degrees. That is 45 degrees. So take the protractor and try to identify that markings. How much angle? 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Okay. Make a line with that point, that is 45 degrees. Make a small light line, students. Okay, so that is 45 degrees. Now take the scale and mark it to 50 mm, because the line length they had been given to us, it is 50 mm. That is 50 mm. Okay, from there to there we have to mark that one as 50 mm. Okay, so that is the 50 mm line, students. Okay, now I am just making that line as somewhat thicker, not to that much amount of thicker, students. Now that line is B2. That line is B2. Okay, next. See, students, now we are going to draw the projector from B2 to top side. B2 to top side. So B2, now I am going to draw the projectors to the front view portion. That is B1 dash. That one is B1 dash. B1 dash. Now we have to draw the parallel lines to B2 dash and B2, students. So we are going to draw the parallel lines to the B2 dash as well as B2. From the reference line, now I am drawing the parallel line like that. Okay. So that line should be parallel to reference line XY. Reference line XY. Okay, students, I forgotten. X, that is Y. Okay, to that line should be parallel. That line should be parallel. Next, to that line we have to draw another parallel line from B2 dash. B2 dash. B2 dash. So that is B2 dash. So that is B2 dash. So that is B2 dash. Now take the compass and from A dash and B1 dash as radius, A dash and B1 dash as radius, try to draw the arc, students. Try to draw the arc in order to cut the B2 dash. But here in this problem we may not going to get the cutting portion, because the angles they had been given, it is not possible to cut that line, students. So it may seems to be like straight line we are going to see in that projections. Okay, whatever the thing may be, we have to be follow the procedure. Okay, so like that we got the arc. We may try to see the second portion. A B1 as radius, A B1 as radius. So A as center, try to draw the arc Here also we are not going to get the cutting portion onto B2. Okay, so like that we are not get any portion, students, but we have to stick to that procedure. Okay, so here according to the angles provided by the question, they may try to seem like a straight line, so it may be like seems to be like a straight line. Okay, students, now I am going to just join them by using the mini drafter scale. Okay, it is not feasible for me to use the mini drafter scale, so try to use the mini drafter scale by just joining from those points. Okay, so it must be light line, students. Okay, it must be light lines, so I may try to join them by using the pen, like that you may be able to visible that properly. That one is B dash, that one is B. Okay, by taking the pen I may try to join them. Okay, students, uh, it is not shown properly. Now I am going to use the sketch pen, just wait. Okay, students, now I am going to just draw that point like that, so it may seems to be like a straight line. Okay, students, like that we had been finished this one, but now we have to understand one thing, that whenever they had been given such type of angles conditions, we may try to get only simply the straight lines. So with the given angles and dimensions, we can get we can see lines in straight lines. Okay, so like line perpendicular to both both HP and VP, HP and VP. Okay, students, like that we had been completed the problem. You have